Did you know that 90% of people struggle with at-home waxing? This happens because they ignore one simple professional secret. Today, I'm revealing the 70/30th rule for a perfect Brazilian wax. This method ensures a smooth, salon-like finish every time. If you want to save hundreds of dollars, keep watching. So, what exactly is the 70/30th rule? It's simple. 70% of your success comes from your pull technique. The remaining 30% is all about your skin and product preparation. Most people focus just on the wax, but remember, technique is king. Let's start with the crucial 30% of prep. Your wax needs to be the consistency of honey. Never use wax that is too runny or thick. It's vital to cleanse the skin thoroughly. Clean skin removes oils and sweat, laying the foundation for a pain-free experience. Now let's move to the 70% technique mastery. Always apply wax in the direction of hair growth. This will significantly improve your results. Create a thick edge at the end of the wax strip. This edge acts as a helpful handle. Wait a few seconds for the wax to set properly. Here's the secret: hold the skin extremely tight before pulling. This technique minimizes pain and avoids bruising. Pull quickly in the opposite direction, staying close to the skin. Finish your waxing by applying a soothing oil. This step helps to remove any wax residue. You just mastered the 70/30th Brazilian waxing rule. Hit the subscribe button for more MTH Health secrets. Master your grooming with us. See you in the next video.